and welcome to the Music Visualizer. We're going to be recording some recordings here and seeing the notes visualized here. The way that they'll be visualized is that the y-axis will determine the volume, the x-axis will determine the time, and different colors relate to different notes. The reason for this color note association is explained more in these articles here. Let's try it out. Da, 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 da. So we can see that there were different decibel levels as well as different notes that happened along different times. For example, this is a C sharp that took place in the 4th octave. It was 64 decibels loud, and it happened around after the 2-second mark. What's cool is that we can listen back to this now. Da, 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 da. We can also change the volume or even mute it. Let's try changing the playback speed. Make it really fast. And so on and so forth. Now, let's check out the pause functionality. You'll see that I can record if I do things really fast. Now we're going to pause it temporarily. And now I'm going to go back to recording and having a bunch of notes. So you'll see that a second recording came up below. And then we can see that since I was speaking faster, there were more notes in that short time frame. You'll also notice that the pause was not included. Let's listen. You'll see that I can record if I do things really fast. And now I'm going to go back to recording and having a bunch of notes. So, since these are so close together, they're a little hard to see. So we can use the zoom functionality to zoom in to see these notes. It shows the time frame that we zoomed into, and we can always return back to the reset of the axes. We can download the graph as a PNG, as well as do a number of other functions associated with the graph. Let's go back to the home. Now you'll see that since we have both of these graphs, we can compare them. But maybe we only want to look at one at a time, or we want to see a few closer together but not others. So we can take away certain graphs or see none at all. This helps us prioritize what we want to see at a time. Finally, let's just download one of these. So I can download this, and you'll see it appears here. All right, thank you so much.